How's it back there?
Just soaking in the views from the back. It's pretty nice. I like
it. Sweet. Well, we made it to the campsite. Eleanor, what do you think about your first campsite? Oh wait, she had a blowout. We're changing her diaper. Of course, the last second, right before we got here. Look.
Gone to the campsite already? It's a good one, huh? Hey, Gwen, what are we having for dinner?
Pasta and mac and cheese.
Pasta and mac and cheese.
Oh yeah.
With some pulled pork, Gruyere cheese. Gregory's having an appetizer of
beef
jerky.
Mm-hmm.
I've got a little babe sleeping on my shoulder.
To go inside the tent, go to Stevenson, read some books. We should do that. Do that, guys.
Oh, I catch a fish. Oh, I got one! I got one! Bring it in, bring it in!
Morning. Eleanor, how was your first camp? You did a good job last night. Oh, we were up at 11:30. Oh, bless you. 4:30 and 7. Long ago, when narwhal horns were found on the beach.
Okay, good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. We ate breakfast. We're packing up the truck. She's pretty much ready to go. Gwen and Micah hiked up that little mountain over there one more time. I'm hanging out here with Eleanor. Yeah, we're gonna go into Capitol Reef National Park today. That's the plan. I think we're gonna go hike an arch trail, or maybe we'll detour off and see what else is in the park. We're gonna go talk to some people and maybe the park ranger and ask what they recommend to do. So first night camping with Eleanor has been great. She woke up a few times, wasn't too bad with the heater on the tent. You know, I kind of click it on, turns on for 10 minutes, and tent heats right on up so Micah could feed her. And yeah, Eleanor is a little basket of energy. She only sleeps when she's like this. So we're learning how to pack the truck one-handed, and I guess that's camping with a 3-week-old for you. Park, there's this place called the Gifford House, and the Gifford House has some
pies, homemade pies.
Some homemade pies that are like really famous apparently. So before they sell out, we're gonna go here. We thought they were closed, but apparently they're open. We are going to go get some pies.
Shedding layers.
Eleanor's just relaxing. She really enjoys this. This is her favorite time. Look at her. Hi, Eleanor. How's that rock treating you? Looks like you're really peaceful out here. We're going on a whim here, but I believe that that's Capitol Peak because it looks like a Capitol building, and maybe that's the name of the park because of that mountain. We don't know this for sure. We're gonna go home, research it, let you guys know.
Cassidy Arch. Wow, mountain goat.
Capitol Reef became a national monument in 1937 and a national park in 1971. The park preserves unique geological features, important archaeological evidence, diverse plant and animal communities, and the homesteads and stories of early Mormon pioneer settlers. Capitol Dome is a Navajo sandstone feature that is named for its resemblance to the U.S. Capitol. Ha, we were right. This dome, along with nearly 100-mile water pocket folds, which is a barrier of rock that obstructed early travelers, like a barrier reef, hence inspired the park's name, Capitol Reef.
All right, next up is Grand Wash. We kind of just follow this dried up riverbed. Looks like that's where it really starts to cut in. Wow! Look what's behind me. Oh, it's a Glen. Made it all the way up to Cassidy Arch and then all the way down to Grand Wash. Total, I think, of 5 miles. Great day. My legs hurt. Micah's legs hurt. Back of the truck, we're gonna go.
My leg doesn't hurt.
Keys with us. So yeah, we're gonna go find a campsite for tonight and start whipping up some dinner.
Is it healthy for us?
Honey stick? Healthy. Kind of.
So the girls are awake. Gwen's helping me keep Eleanor happy in the tent. That lump over there is Greg sleeping. And Gwen and I are working on... What are we doing over here, Gwen? What's this?
It's like a book.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
You want to try that?
Another wonderful night of sleeping. Eleanor did good. Gwen did 3 great.
How old are
Salmon, cream cheese, and lox. Gwen's eating some meatballs and cereal. Micah had some lox already. She's also warming up some mac and cheese. It's gonna be a nice breakfast. We're doing it all in one. Plan is to go walk into those mountains over there somewhere. All right, the name of the wash we're going up is called Cottonwood Wash. And Mike is just checking out the trail. It kind of gives you some description about it. So it's not really a marked trail. You kind of just follow your way up the dried creek bed and then you end up in some slaw canyons.
We went to
about
go in the
1 mile
canyon.
up the wash.
And we saw, what did we saw in the saw cabin?
We saw Yoda.
Yoda. We saw Yoda, guys.
I said don't stop. Micah stops. So rear tires are a little jammed up here, so we put it in 4. It's in 4. All right, let's give it a shot. Go, 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 go.
Okay, go towards your right hand. Good job.
Real great.
Up Burrow Wash, or no, Cottonwood Wash. Well, here's a sand plate for you.
I baked my champagne. I baked my champagne, Daddy.
Okay, we're starting to get into it here.
This.
This is where the canyon really begins, kiddo.
I have a puddle.
A puddle. Just a quick mid-canyon feeding, and we'll continue on up. The narrow should start pretty soon. Well, we made it. There it is. All right. There it is. Hello. Well, Micah fell into the puddle.
Okay.
Gwen was very nervous. Gwen was very worried about mommy. That was very sweet of you, Gwen. Okay, we're heading back down. And we're trying to beat the sunset now, so we're trying to hustle bustle. We're gonna actually not take the full Salt Canyon out of here. There's a little shortcut that goes up and around a lot of the boulders, so we're gonna go ahead and do that in the essence of time.
Back to the car. We're gonna go find a new camping spot tonight. The sun is just about to be gone over that canyon wall. I don't know. So we're gonna go find the sun. The sun is so blinding. Greg has to drive with his head out the window. 1511 or 0151. Eleanor, what are your thoughts? Okay, we're cleaning up dinner here. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere.
It's apple crumb. It's delicious. Bite into it.
Apple crumb from the Gifford House at Capitol Reef National Park.
It's so yummy.
Thanks for joining us on part 1 of our camping trip with our new addition. Join us next time as we...
There she is. Join us next time as we head off to Goblin Valley and...
Little Wild Horse Canyon.
Bum.